cut off the throat plate to size, the new ones, I'll hold the board firmly and push it right up to the center of the blade. Put gentle pressure to hold the board down. Do the same thing again so I don't have to measure and look for a pencil. Push it slightly to the blade, pull the board back. I'm going to make another homemade throat plate. That's an easy way to cut it. And I take the template, mark it on one of the cutoffs, and mark it the same way on the other side from the same edge, in case something's not totally symmetrical. Then I'll clamp down a board and my belt sander. So to sand this down, I will start, since the blade goes from left to right, I mean the sanding belt, I will sand it this side off, and this will dig in quite a bit, so I will do it the same way. After I've sanded the throat plate, I took the blade all the way down, then I'll crank, I'll set the fence just on the edge, grab my featherboard magnet, and plunge the saw blade slowly into the throat plate. Then to remove this, its magnet's real strong, I just push it